It was a computer. Well, why didn't you say so in the first place?
I did.
Oh.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.
I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. So sorry for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye!
The captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away.
Right now.
No, I don't hear it.
And again.
No? There's your music.
There we go. Like, where are the doors?
Here's the wording on the... Who are you gonna meet?
I'm back up. I'm back up.
I was trying to think of a clever name I could think of right now.
Isn't that your favorite character?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I thought so.
I'm sure I
If they are the highest bidder. You. Right here. Always a pleasure to Jedi. This may be useful someday.
It is still...
It's the same day.
Till Thursday. We took a quick break at the hotel.
Yeah, we have a bunch of our new Disney things, so we wanted to switch it up and.
Well, it's hot. It's gonna change.
Yeah.
Feel refreshed halfway through the day. But it's hard to do that when we go to Disney World because it takes so long to get back to the hotel and then go back again.
Yeah. If
So
we're gonna take a break, we have to fully commit to taking a break.
like a
at
2
World.
or 3 hour break.
Yeah.
And then for this one, it was just like 30 minutes. Now those are the best. Those are misters all up and down. It's hot in that standby line. Not that we had
In the sun it is.
Not that we had to stand in it. Ooh, that feels great. Thank goodness for Fast Pass. Actually, no. Thank goodness for Max Pass. I didn't even have to come over here to get one.
We got them all from one part.
We made it this far. Like literally this far.
Where's the next stop?
There's like 9 cars lined up right now. There's a little delay.
A little bit of water. Not much. It's just enough.
It's a desert. We're parched.
It was. I didn't have any water.
Alright, so here's the update.
We're in the car.
30 minutes later, we're in the car.
Yeah, made it.
team don't win a race. Now get up there.
Ready?
Looks like Radiator Springs has their new champ.
You can meet Anna and Elsa over there. I don't know what that is. And then there's
Ladies and gentlemen, the next show is about to start at the Animation Academy, where you can learn to draw the Disney characters.
Gee, that sounds kind of tough.
This is a nice little area in here.
Yeah?
It's in the Animation Academy building. There's lots in here.
I don't know what the Sorcerer's Workshop is.
I don't either.
Maybe we should ask.
We're gonna try to draw something.
Attempt. Definitely a keyword
We've
there.
never done this.
No?
Even when they had it in Hollywood
First time?
Studios.
Yeah, I think we were looking at it and then we're like, oh, we'll do it next time, and then
They
it
took
went
it
away.
This is a cool room. Yeah. Well, you'll draw whatever they tell you to draw.
I'm drawing my own thing.
Okay, good luck.
Can't stop me.
You ever heard the wolf cry to the blue moon? Or ask the prince? I don't know the rest of the words. You sing with all the voices. You paint with all the colors of the wind. I'll stop singing. Oh man.
But I'm just going to very lightly sketch out my circle closer towards the right-hand corner of my page, just so I've got enough room for those long rabbit ears. I'm just going to very lightly just sketch out my circle. So I'm going to create lots and lots of lines in here, and that's what we look for our foundation. So if you don't like one side, you can always round it out just to the way that you want it. So all these extra lines just help it create in that one shape. I'm just kind of blending them together just so it kind of looks like it's a circle. So don't feel like your circle needs to be a perfect circle in your first go around. Keep on working on it. And now you can even go meet him over by his filling station in the front of this very park. You can also buy his merchandise too. And Oswald is married to a little cat, and her name is Hortensia. You can even buy a little plushie of her too. Alright, but more than
yours is definitely better.
We shall be teaching you
My
a
hands all
character.
black from being left-handed.
She's gonna help you on out. So see you all later. Bye. Have fun. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
How about a big hand for your artist, Katie?
So there's a board outside. It's got the schedule of all the drawings.
Looks like they can pop them out so they can change it.
Yeah.
You can do Olaf, Baymax, Sally. You can even do Eeyore and Piglet.
Really? So we'll see when we come back.
Did it show? Did you ever show
I saw
everybody?
your drawing.
Oh, show yours first.
No, mine's embarrassing. No, it's...
Alright.
I don't draw at all. Oh, that doesn't even look like a rabbit.
Yes, it does. Look at the ears.
No judging for me showing you this,
It
people.
looks good. Looks good. I think yours is good.
Yours is good.
I like yours.
gonna do with them? Put them in our backpack? Hold them up?
We're gonna keep them. This is Animation Academy. How often do we get to do that?
Not very often. It's super neat in here. The buzz. Such a lion buzz. And all these things never sodas in summer.
Hi there.
Aww. Adventures, good things.
Alright, let's flood these up.
Summer, and I'll be a happy snowman.
This is good. Oh, like hardcore paper, man.
You guys will be there too. When I finally do the present things do in summer.
Don't you dare.
In summer.
There. You better leave before I keep singing.
Okay.
After life for me.
Phenomena. Phenomena.